Can you integrate this function on the board in few minutes? We are told to integrate with respect to x of x squared minus 2 divided by x plus 4. To integrate this function, you can see that the power of the variable in question x is bigger in the numerator. I have 2 and I have power 1 here. So it wouldn't work easily. So first thing we have to do is to divide the numerator by the denominator so that we can reduce the degrees. So we are going to make use of the long division method. So you can now see that the numerator will go inside x squared minus 2, then divided by x plus 4. So let's divide. So we are going to use the x to divide the x squared. X divide x squared is what? X. Okay? So we are going to use our answer to open up this. So x times x squared, x times x is x squared. Then x times plus 4 will give you what? Plus 4x. Okay? So we subtract. If we subtract, x squared minus x squared is 0. Then minus 2 minus plus 4 is going to be minus 2 minus 4x. Okay? So the next thing we do, we are going to use x to divide this. So x minus 4x is giving you minus 4. So we write minus 4. So x minus 4 times x is going to give you minus 4x. Minus 4 times plus 4 is going to give you minus 16. So here we subtract. So we have it at minus 4x minus 4x is 0. So 4x is out. Minus 4 minus 16 is minus 4 plus 16, which is what? 14. So this particular expression in the integral will now be, our remainder is minus 14. Okay, our remainder is 14. Okay, so if you have this, so we have the integral will now be equals to, our answer in the our result when we divided is x minus 4. We have it as x minus 4. Our remainder is 14. That will be plus 14 over x plus 4. Then we are integrating all this with respect to what? X. Okay? Remember, if you are integrating sum and difference, you have the right to integrate them separately. So what do? We have it as, this is just integrating x with respect to x minus the integral of 4 with respect to x and plus the integral of 14 over x plus 4 with respect to x. Okay? Remember, when you are trying to integrate any given function, say you are trying to integrate x to the power n with respect to x, the answer or the solution is always increasing the power by 1, dividing it by the new power plus the constant of integration. So if you are integrating x, x is just x power 1. So we increase the power by 1, 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. Okay? Then minus integrating a constant like 4 is, you just have to include the variable. Since you are integrating with respect to x, we have it as 4x. Then plus the integral of, this is just integrating 14 over this will give you what? 14 ln x plus 4 plus the constant of integration. So what do we have here? We have it as x squared over 2 minus 4x plus 14 ln x plus 4 plus c. And this is the what? Answer. If you found the video interesting, do what to like, comment, and share your thought about the approach. Bye.